Hi everybody and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we will be bringing you all the latest analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, today we would be looking at Uniswap, right? And as you can see, we are currently ranked 22 with a market cap of $3 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of $40.57 million, and for the month we are down about 10.2%. For the week we are down about 1.6%, and at the day of recording we are up 1.9%. And today I want to show you a chart that not a lot of people are paying attention to, especially as regards Uniswap. And one of the things you could see is, right, this is the chart for Uniswap versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and as you can see, we have drawn our support and resistance levels. And one of the things we have been considering, we were saying that the $5 level was a very huge support. As you can see down here, we pushed down right down into the $5.1 level, right down, same thing we pushed here. And as you can see, currently we are about to shift even to the upside. As you can see, this is our machine learning algorithm, which tends to dictate the trends even die down for the current cryptocurrency. And you can see currently we have a very huge support right down at the 5.1 level, and therefore we should be expecting some kind of push even to the upside in the medium to long term, even for Uniswap, right? And if we bring up some of our indicators, as you can see, one of the ones we love to use so much is what we call the oscillator. And the oscillator, it's a leading indicator, which means it shows us what price is doing, and with a high probability of what price is gonna do on the medium to long term. And as you can see, we are currently also pushing even to the upside, right? Meaning that we are very bullish on the price for Uniswap in the medium to long term. So as you can see, even if we shift over right down even to this chart right here, as you can see, we are still having a huge support. This is also on the daily time frame. As you can see, very huge support for Uniswap right down at the 5.162 level. So we probably should be expecting some kind of push even to the upside right down here, even for the price of Uniswap in the medium to long term. If we switch over to the money flow, as you can see right down on the chart for our money flow, as you can see, even though we don't have a lot of more money coming into Uniswap, as you can see, we are having some kind of range and some kind of hidden bullish divergence, right? Even on the right down even on the money flow, right? And the money flow just helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes, what are the money coming into Uniswap at the moment. And as you can see, we're having a hidden bullish divergence, which means we are bullish, and we should be expecting further more upside even for the price of Uniswap, right? And also, if we look at the altcoin doctor's indicator, as you can see, this is an indicator we made to show us when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see, our indicator is already coming to a close and is about to turn, right? So we should be expecting a huge push to the upside even for the price of Uniswap. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.